Manual testing. Manual testing is a software testing process in which test cases are executed manually without using any automated tool. All test cases executed by the tester manually according to the end user's perspective. It ensures whether the application is working, as mentioned in the requirement document, or not. Test cases are planned and implemented to complete almost 100% of the software application. Test case reports are also generated manually. Manual testing is one of the most fundamental testing processes as it can find both visible and hidden defects of the software. The difference between expected output and output, given by the software, is defined as a defect. The developer fixed the defects and handed it to the tester for retesting. Manual testing is mandatory for every newly developed software before automated testing. This testing requires great efforts and time, but it gives the surety of bug-free software. Manual testing requires knowledge of manual testing techniques but not of any automated testing tool. Manual testing is essential because one of the software testing fundamentals is 100% automation is not possible. Why we need manual testing? Whenever an application comes into the market, and it is unstable or having a bug or issues or creating a problem while end users are using it. If we don't want to face these kinds of problems, we need to perform one round of testing to make the application bug-free and stable and deliver a quality product to the client, because if the application is bug-free, the end user will use the application more conveniently. If the test engineer does manual testing, he or she can test the application as an end-user perspective and get more familiar with the product, which helps them to write the correct test cases of the application and give the quick feedback of the application. Types of manual testing. White box testing. The white box testing is done by developer, where they check every line of a code before giving it to the test engineer. Since the code is visible for the developer during the testing, that's why it is also known as white box testing. Black box testing. The black box testing is done by the test engineer, where they can check the functionality of an application or the software according to the customer/client's needs. In this, the code is not visible while performing the testing, that's why it is known as black box testing. Gray box testing. Gray box testing is a combination of white box and black box testing. It can be performed by a person who knew both coding and testing. And if the single person performs white box, as well as black box testing for the application, is known as gray box testing. How to perform manual testing. First, tester observes all documents related to software, to select testing areas. Tester analyzes requirement documents to cover all requirements stated by the customer. Tester develops the test cases according to the requirement document. All test cases are executed manually by using black box testing and white box testing. If bugs occurred, then the testing team informs the development team. The development team fixes bugs and handed software to the testing team for retest. Thanks for watching.